as you can see.
12 gauge. Give it a pump. Nice.
Listen, you can't have another bone. You don't need to get so upset. Oh my gosh.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sanctus.
Joseph, did you do this?
Not the death stare. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little.
Buster from the Rock! Can you believe it?
Stop that.
Brother,
What are you doing on there?
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Hey! ¡Miguel, no!
Bang.
I'm trying to take a nice Valentine's Day photo. Just smile.
Dylan?
Hello, 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 hello. I know, I think.
There you go.
All right, come on, let's go. Go on, Luna. Go on, where we go?
Oh, it's full of bats.
No! Don't die! Todd, you're gonna just fall again. Okay, goodbye. Ah! Stop, Todd! No!
logic is so simple, yet so effective. Don't like something? Smack it as far away from you as possible. Literally flawless.
From serendipstudio.org. The average reaction time for this was 0.2186.
Oh, that's pretty fast. Yeah, that's pretty fast. But not fast enough, boy. I got them beans now. What are you gonna do?
Hey, Kelly. Kelly.
Are you okay?
Kelly.
What's
up?
What are you doing in there with all them?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Go get your toy. Told him to get his toy. That's my boy. And then he's so chill too. I can just do like the most outright weird things. Boom. There he is.
And I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
Informed about it beforehand, and they had to know about it through the internet, through a third person.